Class, welcome to week 14. We've made it. This is our final week in the course, and it is fairly straightforward. The week will revolve around your final presentation. You will upload that to an assignment, and then you will also post it on a discussion board. And you'll be able to view one another's projects and comment on them. We will have everybody together for this discussion board, similar to your icebreaker discussion board where you got to know everyone, and then we've been in groups now for the whole semester. We will come back together for this final presentation discussion board. The final presentation should be no more than 3 minutes. If you'd like to record more than 3 minutes, you may. You won't get docked necessarily. When I view these and grade them, I do not view past the 3-minute mark. The idea is to walk everyone through the basics of your business, your website, the products and services you offer, and then you can talk a little bit about which tools helped you most in the course. The presentation should be a screencast similar to what I'm doing now. It should not be a PowerPoint. We want to see your live website, and so if your website is not included in your presentation, that would affect your grade. You want to make sure that you're showing us your website, walking us through your website on a screencast like this. So please don't use PowerPoint or don't prepare pictures that are uploaded with a voiceover. The recommendation here is to use Zoom or Jing. You can use other products. You do not have to use Zoom or Jing. Excuse me. The qualification here is that you need to be able to upload your presentation online so that you can submit a URL. Having a URL for your screencast is most important. So I use a product or a website called Screencast-O-Matic. It's fairly simple to use, and it allows me to upload right to YouTube. And so you'd have a URL to submit. Excuse me. Jing also has that upload feature. Zoom does as well. So if you want to use any of those three or other products, that is fine. It is completely up to you. That is my most common question during this week. And the platform doesn't matter. It matters that you have a URL. So you have a Jing tutorial here if you'd like to go through it. If you have specific questions on that, let me know. So once that is filmed and you have a URL, go ahead and submit that URL into this Project 6 file and then post it to the discussion board, and you'll have responses. So no reflection this week. It's just those items. I hope this is a little bit more basic and straightforward, as I know many of you are going through finals, and my hope is that frees you up a little bit to focus on those classes where you do have a final exam. So thank you, everybody. It has been a joy to have you in the class. I appreciate all of your hard work and dedication to your businesses, and I am really excited to see these final presentations and walk through your websites with you. Thanks, everyone.